Greeting, beautiful friends. Welcome back again to the garden. This is this section, guys. I am trying to save up those hydrangeas I purchased this year. Most of them I get them this year, guys. Oh my God, I've been so lucky on hydrangeas this year. Oh my God. If you guys watching my channel, you will see how much hydrangeas I've been having. Oh my God, it is a lot. It is a lot of these flowers, and I am so happy, but I am trying so hard to make sure they stay alive. I just rescued this one today. I rescued four today. I rescued this one, and yeah, four of them I rescued today. And when I came here today, some of them was like shocked, some of them was dying. I have to soak them really well to make sure they good. Yeah, that's what's going on, guys. It is a beautiful, beautiful little space.